Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to protect sheets on Google Sheets. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to protect sheets on Google Sheets. Number one, you can protect an entire sheet. And how do you do that? Open your Google Sheet and open the sheet you want to protect. Then this is a sheet I want to protect. The next thing to do is to click on the tab of the sheet you want to protect at the bottom of the screen. Okay, then go to data. So this is a tab of the sheet I want to protect. If you have multiple sheets, just go ahead and click on one. I just have one sheet, so it's cool. Then head over to data at the top top corner of your screen, and once you are there, go ahead and click on protect sheets and ranges from the drop down, and here you go. In the protected sheets and ranges panel that appears on the right, click on add a sheet or range, which is here. So click sheet to protect the entire sheet, or click on range if you want to protect a specific range. So I just want to click on sheet because I want the entire sheet to be protected. Now, after selecting the sheet, name your protected sheet. Okay, so click on the enter description and say for official purposes. So that's it. Then under set permissions, you can choose restrict who can edit this range from here. Okay, you can do that, or you can do show a warning when editing this range. So if you click on restrict who can edit this range, go ahead and make it to be only you, and go ahead and click done, and it says changes saved. In the protected sheets and ranges panel, all right, you can click set permissions, which of course we have done. That's for you to specify editors, right? Just click on that, and you can also change permissions. Now you can click on change permissions and set the permissions. So you can choose to allow only yourself or specific users by clicking on custom, all right, to edit the sheet. So just enter the email addresses of those who you would have to edit, or who you have to edit, or who you would love to edit with you. And once you're done, click on done. But I just want that to be left with me, so go ahead and click on done, and then you're good to go. You can also protect specific ranges. And how do you do that? I'm just going to click on that, and this is so I can just click on OK with that and head over to the same process, the same step. Click on data and go to protect sheets and ranges, and click on add sheet or range and select range. All right, so once you select range, you can now confirm the selected range. So click on that and confirm the selected range, or you can even change this, select a range, change this, customize your range, and click on set permissions. So you can set permissions. You can choose restrict who can edit this range to only you, or for you to specify editors, click on custom and add the email address of the person you want to give editing access, and that's it. Click on done and you will be good to go. I'm just going to click on cancel. So open the protect sheet and ranges panel, all right, for you to remove protection. And once you do that, go to data in the top menu. First off, you can click on delete to delete range or sheet protection, which is even easier for you. Okay, so, or you can just go ahead and open it from here, or you can go ahead and open it from data and then protect sheets and ranges, and then it opens you up to this panel. But easier way, if you have the panel already set, just go ahead and click on the panel and find the sheet or range you want to protect, unprotect, all right, which is here. Then click on the trash icon that is next to the sheet or range and confirm the removal to remove protection. So click on that and says anyone who has editor access to spreadsheet will be able to edit content in the range, and click on remove. So that has been removed. Now these steps will help you secure specific sheets or ranges within your Google Sheet documents to control who can make changes. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.